I spent the better part of my career as an institutional equity trader. For those not familiar with finance, think stocks. That was in a previous life. I'm still in finance, but in a different area right now. But that's not the point. Being on a trade desk, you find yourself going out for pops after work quite often, whether it's with clients or with coworkers. Now, Toronto in the summer, down on Bay Street, call it 2005-ish, plus or minus 5 years, it seemed everybody and their grandmother opened a bar or a patio outside. And that's where we found ourselves quite often in the summers. Not every day, but, there's some that went out every day. I was out, once, twice a week. Now, the point is, my preferred drink at the time was a vodka soda, and sometimes I had a few olives thrown in. Fast forward, I can't drink vodka soda anymore. It's just, it tastes just like watered down vodka. So I leave out the soda, but I miss the bubbles. So, we have this SodaStream. We've had this for many years. We're going to attempt to add some carbonation to some Absolute here. What I'm going to do first is I'm not going to fill it up all the way. I'll fill it up, let's say, a quarter of the way here. I'm going to fill it with water first, and I'm going to time how long it takes to get the proper carbonation, because I want to carbonate the vodka in small spurts. I don't want to continuously keep this engaged. SodaStream urges you not to carbonating anything other than water. I once carbonated water with a cola syrup added in, the whole thing exploded. So I don't want that happening with the vodka. So we'll keep this going 5, 10, 15 seconds, however long it takes. And then I'm going to add the vodka and go and press down and say half, 1 second intervals up to that time. And hopefully it won't explode on me. If it does, you'll see it on video. Hopefully it doesn't, and we'll test it out, see how carbonated vodka tastes. So let's get to work. So I've got some cold water added to the bottle. I took the vodka out of the fridge, not the freezer. You can't freeze water. So I've got the water just up to that FR, which means in French. These are the directions in French. So let's carbonate this. We're going to count. 1,000, 2,000, 3, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. Let's try 5. This is a brand new canister. So we went 5 seconds approximately. Okay, it's good. So I'm going to go 10 half-second spurts. This is a brand new bottle. Show it is vodka. Okay. 10 presses, half a second each. I hope this doesn't explode. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to lift this slowly. Oh, it's starting to rise. Oh! Cheers, folks. This is actually really good. It's nicely carbonated. It's not watered down. Go for it. I think I have an idea what I want to try next. We're going to get some carbonated Jägermeister is the next one on the agenda.